This is a chip made out of real ghost peppers, which are 200 times hotter than the jalapenos found in your everyday food. Last week, I lost a fishing 1v1 to my tournament angler friend Michael. The loss completely gutted me, but I had an idea. I went ahead and ordered some chips and challenged Michael to a rematch, but with some spicy new rules. For every bass someone catches, the other guy will immediately eat a chip and continue fishing while their mouth is burning. Not only am I fishing to reclaim my confidence as a fisherman, but also to save my taste buds. So Michael, you have never fished here before, right?
Yeah, I never fished here before.
Now one thing I forgot to tell you before we got here, this is a location where we can easily pull out 20 bass in a day. That means you could potentially eat 20 ghost pepper chips. I also have a little bit of an upper hand. I fished here a couple times before, pulled out probably 60 bass in total. The worst thing about these chips is that the more chips you eat, worse it gets. It's like the intensity multiplies. We're gonna be barely able to make a cast and we're just dying of the heat. Michael, how well can you handle spice?
Not very well, but I'll do it for the content.
I mean, you're Asian, so you should be able to handle it a little bit well.
Yeah, I'm Korean especially.
Ready to get started, man?
Yeah.
Best of luck.
Let's hit it.
You see that smile? Well, Michael is currently unaware that I've eaten a whole bag in the past and truly know how brutal these chips are going to be. Poor guy has no clue what's coming. I'm determined to make Michael the first one to eat these chips.
No.
Yes, it's gonna happen, dude. What? Wow, okay. All right, confident much. What would you guess these water temps are?
45 to 50 maybe.
45, yeah, that's a great guess. Look how much line I have on this thing. Oh, darn. Oh, darn. Okay. This is not good. No.
I told you I'm not gonna be the first one to eat a chip, bro.
Okay.
This is the first of many chips you're gonna eat, Ryan. There you go. That's some cold water right there.
So I'm partly glad that we have confirmation that these fish are eating, but look at that thing. It's coated in ghost pepper. These are big chips too. There's like not your typical Dorito chips. There's quite a few of them in the bag, but here we go.
You got this, bro. How's it feel? Describe it.
The trick is to get it down as quick as possible. The worst part is like the spice really kicks in like 30 seconds after you eat it. First time you eat it, you're like, oh, okay, it's just like a spicy Dorito. It's not. Oh, it's starting to burn. I'm really just like not looking forward to, you know, the toilet experience after this. It's ramping up. Oh, it's no joke. And then that's only one chip too. If you catch a 5-pounder, I'll eat the whole bag.
No way.
No joke.
Ain't no way. All right.
No, dude, I'd be stoked for you. I wouldn't even care about sacrificing my bowels and taste buds at that point. Oh yeah. Darn. This is bad. This is getting bad, boys.
It's fish number 2 today. I think Ryan is in for some pain here.
Hold on. It makes sense that Michael would catch the first fish, but now 2? Wasn't really supposed to go this way. I thought I would be crushing Michael at this point. I was starting to get worried because the combined spice of 2 chips would surely throw me off my game.
You got this.
It's gonna keep getting worse. I feel the first wave coming back along with the second wave I just took. Gonna make Michael feel this pain that I am feeling. Oh yeah? Can you like relax for a second? Let me get this flavor out of my mouth. There he is.
Oh no.
Bring it around here.
Get him, man.
Yep, good or bad. It's time for you to eat a ghost pepper, dude.
Oh.
There we go. The fish to make Michael eat a ghost pepper. See you later, buddy.
I'm about to meet death real quick here. We're just gonna go ahead and get this over with. That burns. Not even gonna lie to you, this hurts.
Alright. Why are you taking off your sweater? Is it already getting hot, man?
Yeah.
Look at what I'm wearing. I'm wearing 2 layers of thick coat. Dude, that's the power of the ghost pepper chip. Your face is like sweating.
I know.
No joke.
I told you I sweat really easy from spicy stuff. I sweat from pepperoni. It is not
Pepperoni? We're both hooking up. Took me a while to get dialed in, but maybe that was just a lucky fish. Who knows?
No.
Hold off.
Oh, bro, I'm so sorry.
It's all right.
Is that a good one?
Yeah, it was good.
Get him.
That's right. That's right, dude. That's right. You're eating another ghost pepper. Dude, this is not a bad one. Let's see. Oh, okay.
Yo, I'm in.
Dude. Biggest fish so far.
Oh, no. No.
Yes.
No.
I wish it was like, if I catch a 2-pounder, you have to eat 2 chips, but either way, I will take that.
All right, y'all, here's the deal. He's catching up on me. That's an issue. Let's get it over with. All right, I gotta do something. I can't just sit here. I gotta focus on something else. All right, I'm good.
All right, you better start getting used to this feeling. I mean, I respect your grind and all, but at the end of the day, you're gonna end up eating the whole bag of chips.
At the end of the day, I'm not giving up. They're going to out here.
There he is. All right, Michael. You know what time it is, bro?
This is the only time I've never wanted someone to catch a fish.
Thank you so much, dear beautiful bass. Goodbye. Time to eat more chips. I'm so sorry.
Third chip of the day. I'm no wimp. I'm gonna keep the grind up. We're gonna keep fishing. I'm not stopping. I am not stopping. I repeat, I am not stopping. Everything is on fire right now. I'm still in the game. It's 2 for 3. I'm not letting Ryan beat me.
Quick disclaimer, I didn't force Michael to film this video with me.
100%, this is my decision. I'm doing this to entertain y'all. I'm suffering right now, but you know what? Part of the grind.
Y'all, just drop a like for the sake of Michael here. You don't even have to do it for me. His taste buds will no longer exist after this video. So if you guys can at least, you know, comment like, yo, Michael's legit.
He is still catching them. All right, I need to catch up. I'm feeling off right now.
Fun fact, these chips of death were helped purchased by the sponsor of today's video, Catchco. I don't think they knew that I'd be using some of that sponsorship money for this reason. You guys remember when Michael said this?
We're gonna keep fishing. I'm not stopping. I am not stopping. I repeat, I am not stopping.
I think what he meant to say was that he wasn't gonna stop eating more chips. The bite was incredibly slow the whole day, but suddenly the bass started hammering my Ned rig. That was so epic. Fish after fish and chip after chip. My 3 bass turned into 9 bass. Unfortunately, in the midst of all this, one of my fish ended up getting gut hooked. And because I potentially killed the fish, I decided to eat a ghost pepper along with Michael for that one. As much fun as seeing Michael eat these chips, he wasn't catching any fish at all, and I kind of felt bad, so I gave him my rod end.
I really need to land a fish, right? Not quitting. Never quit. Oh, I'm shaking so much right now.
So I'm meeting up with a couple subscribers today at this pond. They say they got a surprise for me. Let's go see what it is.
I made you use 2
Dude.
boards, just
What?
me and my friend, that one night you took us fishing, the same night we just come home and we're like, let's do something.
That's amazing, man.